Welcome to the Bishop School Pre-Primary Standard Junior KG. Today we are going to learn English Oral. Now let's recite a school prayer. Children, stand in your place, join your hands and close your eyes and repeat the prayer after me. Almighty God, grant grace to the members of this school to be sincere in work, play and prayer, so that teachers and taught learning from each others may become more fit for thy service and the service of their fellows. Okay, now you may sit down, children, and let's get back to our lesson. So, children, first we'll start with A to Z saying. Once again, we'll recite small letters A to Z. Just repeat the letters after me. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, very good, children. Now we'll start with A to Z singing. So, children, are you all ready to sing with me? Yes? Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, but on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to me, and I will teach you ABC. Yes, very good, children. Children, in previous lesson, teacher taught you picture recognition from A to F, from A, B, C alphabet book in alphabetical order. Do you all remember, children? Yes, I am sure you must have learned all the pictures by now from A to F. Teacher even taught you A to Z saying and A to Z singing. Right, children? Yes. So today, once again, we will be learning picture recognition from ABC alphabet book, from G to L. Are you all ready, children? Let's start. So, children, open your book to page number 8. Yes. Now we will start with letter G. Which letter is this, children? Small letter G. Small letter G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Repeat after me, children. G for giraffe. You can see this animal? Giraffe. G for giraffe. Yes. G for goat. G for goat. Repeat after me, children. G for goat. G for goat. Yes. G for girl. G for girl. G for girl. You can see this girl is standing. Yes. G for girl. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. You can see the girl is holding grapes in her hand. गर्ल के हाथ में क्या है? ग्रेप्स. Yes. G for girl. G for grapes. Yes. G for grass. What you can see here? Green color. Grass. What this is called as? Grass. Repeat after me, children. Grass. Grass. Yes. One more time we'll repeat. Okay. Small letter G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. G for goat. Repeat after me, children. G for goat. G for goat. Yes. G for girl. G for girl. Repeat after me, children. Say G for girl. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grass. G for grass. G for grass. Yes, you can see green color. Yes, this is called grass. Now we move to letter H. Yes. So nice, lovely pictures are there. You can see. Yes. Which letter is this, children? Small letter H. Repeat after me, children. Say small letter H. Small letter H. H for horse. You can see horse? Yes. H for horse. Repeat after me, children. Say small letter H. H for horse. H for horse. Yes. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. We can see this helicopter over here. Yes. H for helicopter. H for hair. H for hair. H for hair. Yes. H for hat. You can see over your hat. Blue color hat. Yes. H for hat. H for hat. H for hand. H for hen. H for hen. A big fat hen. You can see white color. Yes. H for hen. H for hen. Okay, one more time we will repeat. Okay, children. H for horse. H for horse. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. H for hair. H for hair. H for hat. This blue color hat. H for hat. H for hand. H for hand. Yes, we are done with letter H. We'll move to next letter, that is I. Which letter, children? Small letter I. Small letter I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Repeat after me, children. Say I for igloo. I for igloo. Yes. I for ice cream. You can see this ice cream. Yes. I love to eat chocolate ice cream. Yes. And there is a ice cream Seller. This man is come to sell ice cream. You can see he's having ice cream. Yes. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream man. Ice cream seller. Yes. I for ice cream seller. I for ice cream seller. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream seller. I for ice cream seller. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. You can see over here ink pot. Ink is there in that. What is there? Ink. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. Repeat after me, children. Say I for ink pot. Yes. And you can see all over ice. So this is all white color. This is ice. Ice. Yes. Ice. आइस, जिसे आप लोग बर्फ बोलते हैं. यस, आइस. आई फॉर आइस. ओके, वन मोर टाइम विल रिपीट. ओके चिल्ड्रन. आई फॉर इग्लू. आई फॉर इग्लू. आई फॉर आइसक्रीम. आई फॉर आइसक्रीम. आई फॉर आइसक्रीम सेलर. I for ice cream seller. You can see ice creams are there. So many. He's come to sell ice cream. Yes. I for ice cream. I for ice cream seller. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. Yes. I for ice. I for ice. Yes. Now we move to letter J. Yes, you can see. Yes, lovely pictures are there. Now repeat after me. Say small letter J. Small letter J. J for juggler. J for juggler. J for juggler. J for jug. J for jug. J for jug. You can see over here jug. Yes, J for jug. And this is joker. J for joker. Yes, J for joker. Repeat after me, children. J for jug. J for joker. J for joker. Yes. J for jump. J for jump. Yes, see this boy is jumping. Yes, jump. Repeat after me. Say jump. Yes, J for jump. And this is jam. J for jam. Yes, I love to eat jam and bread. Jam. J for jam. One more time we'll repeat. Okay, children? J for juggler. J for juggler. J for jug. J for jug. J for joker. Repeat after me, children. J for joker. J for jump. J for jump. J for jam. J for jam. Yes, we are done with letter J. Now we'll move to letter K. Yes. Small letter K. Small letter K. Repeat after me, children. Small letter K. K for king. Who is here? King. King. K for king. K for king. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for kite. I like to fly kite. K for kite. Repeat after me, children. Say K for kite. K for kite. Yes. K for kitten. K for kitten. Small baby of a cat is called as kitten. K for kitten. Repeat after me, children. Kitten. K for kitten. Yes. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for kettle. Repeat after me, children. Say kettle. Yes. One more time we'll repeat, okay? Small letter K. K for king. Who is over here? King. Yes, and king is flying a kite. K for kite. K for kite. K for king. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Yes, repeat after me, children. K for kangaroo. Yes, very nice, children. K for kitten. K for kitten. K for kettle. K for kettle. Yes. We are done with letter K. Now we move to letter L. Which letter is this, children? Small letter L. Yes. L for lion. L for lion. Who is over here? Lion. Yes, such a big animal. No? Such a big lion is sitting over here. L for lion. L for lollipop. What this lion is eating? Lollipop. Yes. L for lion. L for lollipop. Okay, repeat after me, children. Say L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. L for lamp. What is over here on the tree hanging? Lamp. क्या लटक रहा है झाड़ पे? कंदील. Lamp. L for lamp. Repeat after me, children. Say L for lamp. L for lamp. Yes. L for lioness. L for lioness. Repeat after me, children. Be little louder. L for lioness. L for lioness. Yes. L for lotus. L for lotus. Which flower is this? Lotus. L for lotus. Repeat after me, children. L for lotus. Yes. L for lamb. L for lamb. L for lamb. L for leaf. L for leaf. What is the color of a leaf? A leaf is green. Yes, this is also a leaf. Repeat after me, children. Say L for leaf. L for leaf. L for leaf. Okay, one more time we'll repeat. Okay, children? Okay, repeat after me. Say small letter L. L for lion. L for lion. L for lollipop. L for lollipop. L for lamp. L for lamp. Repeat after me, children. Say lamp. L for lamp. L for lioness. L for lioness. L for lioness. Repeat after me, children. Lioness. L for lotus. L for lotus. L for lamp. L for lamp. Repeat after me, children. L for lamp. Yes. L for leaf. L for leaf. Repeat after me, children. L for leaf. Yes, we are done with letter L. So children, what we have learned today? Yes, we have learned A to Z saying and A to Z singing. And we also learned picture recognition from G to L from ABC alphabet book. So we are done for today. Children, please sit with your parents for online studies. Okay? Stay home, stay safe. Bye.